Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about suffixes, and we've talked about prefixes before, which come at the beginning of the word. Suffixes come at the end of the word. So prefix is at the beginning. Can you write that? Suffix is at the end. All right, let's read our directions. To complete each sentence below, select a word from the box and add the suffix. Here's your choices that you get to choose from. You can add full, less, ness, or meant, M-E-N-T. Those are the choices. You're going to pick the one that makes sense. And I think once you start looking at the words in the box, guys, that you're going to think it's probably pretty easy for you. So let's look at our words in the box. We have cheer, success, use, dark, assign, entertain, and still. Those are our words that I'm going to use. Let's do one together. My teacher gave the class a homework blank over the weekend. A homework. I'm going to let you see if you see it before me. And remember, we're going to add one of these words to it. Okay? Was anybody looking at assign? My teacher gave the class a homework assignment, right? Okay, so the base word is assign, but then I'm adding the suffix. You're going to go over the line just like I did. That's okay. So it says, my teacher gave the class a homework assignment over the weekend. So you are going to find the one that goes with it. You can use some of them twice, so you're not just using each once, okay? So you've got 7 or 6 more to do on your own. And meet me on page 124 when you are ready. All right, here we are. Now today we are talking about compound words, which you have been doing probably since 2nd grade, right? Where you put 2 words together to make one word. Compound words. And you're going to see some. These are from our story, The Screech Owl Who Liked Television. Okay, you're going to be using these words, and you're going to find one that goes with the underlined word. It says, write the basic word that best replaces. So whatever's underlined, you want to replace it with one of the words from the list. Let's read the first one. My parents asked me to look after my little sister. What word on the list means the same as look after? Let's read through the words. Somebody, fireplace, nearby, toothbrush, homesick, make-believe, anything, all right, goodbye, forehead, classmate, flashlight, haircut. I don't see anything yet that means the same as look after, do you? 22, driveway, alarm clock, babysit. Wait a minute. Let's try that in the sentence. My parents asked me to babysit my little sister. That definitely fits, doesn't it? And the rest of our words are airport, forever, and mailbox. Okay, so I would, for number 1, I'm going to go ahead and put babysit. All right. So I think you'll be good with that page and finish those up. Have a super day, guys.